Coucou! Hi everyone, I'm Steph, a native and certified French teacher from France. If you're looking for a complete beginner French course to reach A1 level, you've found the right one, and I'm going to tell you why. I've been teaching French for more than 15 years, including 5 years at the French Institute, part of the French Embassy. So you will learn real French the way it's actually spoken. And I'm gonna give you a free 50-page French guidebook, your essential companion for the course. And the course includes over 80 classes representing more than 15 hours of engaging video lessons. I have designed the course and the book like a TV series. And in this first season, you will find 4 episodes. Each episode explores a new cultural theme and includes 8 educational chapters. Vocabulary, conjugation, basic conversation, pronunciation, culture, written and interactive exercise, fun moments with stickers, meme, and mini video games, and finally my favorite part, the survival French chapter, where you will learn how to book a hotel, take a taxi, find your way around town or at the airport, the perfect guide to survive to your trip in France or Quebec or Belgium. And at the end of the course, you will find a 30 minutes full French review session with my student Jessica. A great opportunity for you to test your skills and listen to real French conversation. So, who is this course for? Beginners starting from zero, or anyone who wants to restart French with a strong foundation. So if you want to start speaking French from day one, have fun and learn with a real French certified teacher and get a free book, enroll now and let's start your French adventure together. Ok? Allez, c'est parti!